The model PRV1 is a pressure regulating valve. The valve is shipped fully trimmed and ready to install. The PRV1 outlet is factory set to a pressure of 125 psi. However, it may be field set to a pressure within the range of 80 to 150 psi. This is referred to as the PRV1 set pressure value. The valve is intended to automatically maintain the outlet set pressure within a close range. The PRV1 is both UL listed and FM approved. Here we see the system ready for operation with no flow demand downstream of the PRV1. The system supply pipe contains water under 200 psi of pressure, shown here in dark blue. The water downstream of the PRV1 is at the set pressure, shown here in light blue. When there is no flow demand downstream, the PRV1 seat is closed and the pilot valve seat is closed. With the pilot valve seat closed, pressure is trapped in the diaphragm chamber, which keeps the diaphragm closed on the PRV1 seat. When there is a flow demand downstream, outlet pressure drops below the set pressure. The pilot valve seat opens to relieve pressure from the diaphragm chamber, allowing the PRV1 diaphragm to lift, opening the valve. As the flow demand continues downstream and the set pressure is met, the pilot valve seat closes to trap pressure in the diaphragm chamber. This keeps the diaphragm lifted at the same position and provides a constant set pressure. The diaphragm chamber gets system water through the needle valve, which is factory set to optimize performance. Should the downstream pressure drop below the set pressure, the pilot valve will reopen to once again reduce pressure in the diaphragm chamber. The regulated flow through the pilot valve decreases or increases the pressure in the diaphragm chamber to sufficiently open or close the PRV1 as required to regulate the downstream set pressure. Please refer to Technical Datasheet TFP 1580 for proper installation and operation.